How's it going, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to another episode of RQ's Garage. This week's video is gonna be really short and really easy. I'm gonna be teaching you how to replace the battery inside a key fob. So this is my mom's Honda Key FOB. It's a pretty standard key fob. Everyone has something like this these days. A lot of push button vehicles is becoming pretty normal. And there's batteries in these, and the battery is beginning to fail. Now, how do we know this? Well, when my mom turns on her car, right here you can clearly see that it says key with a battery symbol at half charge, and it keeps beeping and chiming and it won't really go away, and it keeps on flashing in the dash. So this is indicating that the battery needs to be replaced, and so we're going to be replacing this battery in this key fob. That will be replacing it is going to be these little circular batteries. The part number is up top, CR2032, if you can see it right there. Yep, CR2032. That's the size of these. You can find these anywhere: Walmart, Walgreens, Amazon. I'll link where I can find this in the description below. They come in packs of 2 or 3. Not really expensive, but really easy process. So we're going to take our key fob, this little spring-loaded tab, we're going to pull it back and release the key. This is the actual key. So if this ever dies, you can actually use your real key to open the car. And we see right here, there's this little kind of inlet, and we're just going to put the key inside the inlet, and we're going to twist the key, and so it pops right open, and then we're just going to pull the tabs, and just like that, there's the old battery. So real simple: out with the old and in with the new. Really simple. Then you just put the cover back on, it just snaps in. And then finally, you just put the key back in. So, yeah, really simple. Garbage, don't need this anymore. That's how you replace the key fob in a Honda Key. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. You know what to do. Really simple. I give you guys tips every single week. Universal process right here. Even you can do it. Love you. We're out. So to double check, we got the new battery in the key. Turn on the car. Symbol is gone. She's fixed.